Good afternoon. I think it's afternoon. It's 12 o'clock on Saturday now. The last video I posted was, I said it was Thursday, but it was actually Friday. So it was yesterday when we did the reseeding of the lawn. I was going to post another video of the reseeding last night, but my battery died, so it cut off while I was putting out topsoil. So today I'm just going to fill you in on what happened yesterday. I got a little video about how I measured out the seed and stuff, which I'll show you right now. All right, so I'm back. It's evening, work's done for the day, and I'm gonna overseed now. I need to figure out how much seed to put down in my front yard, and the 25 pound bag is meant to seed up to 10,000 square feet. So, and my yard's about 8,000 square feet. So there's 2,000 square feet extra seed. And I'm only gonna put down about that 2,000 square feet. So, if you take 10,000 square feet divided by 2,000 square feet, you get 5. You take 25 pounds divided by 5, you get 5 pounds. So for the 2,000 square feet, I need about 5 pounds of seed. And to figure that out, how much I'm gonna use, I have a makeshift way to estimate about 5 pounds of seed. It might be a little bit over though, but that's okay. If I go a little heavy this time, it's not a big deal. I don't have a hanging scale where you can, hang a bucket from it, push the clear button so you go back to 0, and then add whatever you need and weigh it again and get 5 pounds. I should have got one, but I didn't get one. So instead, I got these 2 buckets. In one, I put a 5 pound barbell weight or dumbbell weight, and the other one, 5 pounds of seed. And I just guessed with lifting each one, and when they were about the same weight, that's 5 pounds. I put a little extra just to be on the safe side, and now I'm ready to go seed the lawn. So I'm gonna go put this in the spreader, spread it out, and then after that, we're gonna do the topsoil. All right, so on the spreader dial, the bag says to set the Scott spreader to 7. I'm gonna go a little bit lighter and make multiple passes so I can make sure that I don't put down too much too fast. So I'm gonna go do that now. Wish me luck. Okay, I set it at 5 instead of 7, and I'm gonna see how it goes for the first pass, and we'll go from there. Pardon my neighbor mowing his lawn over there. I hope you can't really see him, but Anyways. All right. Pro tip, hand seed your edges first because it's really tough getting all the little bits out of the bottom of the spreader. Lesson learned for next time. Alright, all that seed is done, but I budgeted to be able to do the front twice. So if it doesn't work out this time and I still have some patchy spots in a month or so, I still have the opportunity to put some more seed down. I'm not too worried about missing spots right now. So now it's time to put topsoil down. So then after seeding, I got some help from my family, and we put topsoil down on the whole lawn. Right now I'm watering it. So I learned a little bit late in the game, I guess. What we started out doing, we were putting out the topsoil by hand. And I was doing it around the edges, especially just to make sure that all these edges, the seed got covered because they're kind of bare. And I went over the bare spots. I was trying to put it out evenly. Eventually it got really tiring and time consuming, and I tried the flick method where you shovel up the topsoil and you start flicking the topsoil out. Just flick it out off the shovel. And it kind of worked pretty good, and it was more in the areas where there was already heavy grass covering and not as many bare spots. So I said, what the hey, I'm not gonna waste my time being super precise in that area where the good soil already was. It took a couple hours, took longer than expected. We raked the topsoil out anywhere we saw any clumping and made it pretty flat. And then I put down a bag of the natural fertilizer from Menards, which is like the Milorganite, comparable to Milorganite. Turns out I figured it out. Milorganite has 2.5% iron per 32-pound bag. This has 1.5% iron per 36-pound bag. I didn't do the math, so I don't know exactly. It might be a little bit less. When you actually do, it's going to be less. For sure it's less iron, but it's got some iron. It's good enough for now. And then I put down gypsum, which I always put down a bag, especially in the front yard over here where I had clay soil to help loosen up the soil. And then I watered it in. So that was last night, and now I'm watering again the lawn, keeping it moist. I'm watering it now. Today's a really hot day, and I kind of wanted to spray tenacity again today, which I still might do, but I might wait until the evening because it's really hot today. But it'll give some time for the grass leaves to dry out here in the front, and then so that it doesn't get washed away, and we'll see what happens. But that's it for now. Seeds down. I just got to keep watering and letting it grow. I woke up this morning, I looked outside, I said, wow, is it just me, or does the grass already look greener from whatever we put down yesterday? The topsoil was really good. It's a mix of composted pine bark, basically it's composted plant matter. Had a few sticks in it, we just threw them into the mulch, not a big deal. A few rocks here and there, but it was rare. It was very nice and loose soil, had some sand in it, had peat moss in it, and apparently it had lime in it. Maybe whatever looked like sand was actually the lime. So the lime balances the pH a little bit better, helps it grow. Came out really good. So I'm happy with how the soil came out, the topsoil came out. I'm happy with the lawn as it is now. Just a waiting game to see when the grass starts sprouting. So when that happens, I'll let you know. And the next time I do something for the backyard or something, I'm gonna start doing the backyard dethatching and stuff, but like later in a week or two, just to get it ready. I'm not gonna cut it down so low as I did this one. I'm just gonna do standard dethatching, a little bit not so aggressive. Maybe the next week I'll do it a little bit more aggressive. I'm just gonna do it a little bit by little bit so I don't overload the yard waste bin again. And then I'll be ready for September. And if the grass doesn't grow in here by September, which is in 3 weeks from now, 4 weeks from now when they come aerate, about a month from now, then I can put down a little bit more seed in the front wherever it's missing. But I'm hoping and praying and wanting and looking forward to potentially having a uniform looking lawn again. So wish me luck, and I'll keep you posted. And if you like my videos, like them, follow my my Instagram, my YouTube, wherever I'm posting this. And hope I can provide more information to help you fellow DIYers do the same thing in your own lawns, in your own homes. And I'll catch you next time.